So today's pretty interesting. I was like, what am I gonna do for a video? I came up with nothing. I just made one up. And I was like, what if I just reach into my makeup collection and random for every step? Anyways, let's begin. And to do this, I think I'm gonna have to show you my collection. This is where I keep all of my makeup. I'm gonna take something from the primer side. The first thing I grab is, of course, concealer. Well, let me just mix it up. Guys, I'm not joking. I literally grabbed this toy. Oh, this is the e.l.f. Matte Oil Control Primer. Foundation. Do I even... Another primer. Do I have a foundation? Yes. Anyways, what's next? Blush contour. Well, I always use this for blush contour. I have two highlighters. I don't know which is which. This one? Yes, I got ice cold. I guess this one. I like how this one... Oh, this one's cool. The Nightingale eyeshadow palette. I chose two. And then the bottom drawer. I only have one setting powder. I know I'm going to be using this for mascara. Two brushes. Okay. Eyeliner pencil. I accidentally grabbed two, but I accidentally grabbed these two, but I always use these. So let's put this primer on this much, because I remember that this primer actually like gets my nose more oily for some reason. I forgot what it has, but you guys can look it up if you really care about it that much. I'm choosing this one because the other one I have is blue, and it's like, I don't know, I just want this one. So gonna go wet this, be right back. So basically I wet it already. Blending time. Blend. So the foundation is on now. So right now I just finished blending the concealer. Now let's set it so I can do contour and blush. Do not forget to powder the neck. I almost forgot. Plus all these brushes are in my brush case that I showed at the beginning. I don't really like this highlighter actually. It's like 2 or 3 years old, but like still. So using this little brush, inner corner highlight is completed. Smile. I don't know why I put so much blush. Whatever, it's already there. Can't do anything about it. I'm just gonna put the rest on my chin and use a beauty blender to make it less. Now, just contour. I use this one for highlight. Let's just wipe that off. Don't tell anybody, and we'll just use it for the nose contour as well. I'm contouring it differently. I'm like going like on the sides, all the way down, then make like a circle at the end of my nose. I feel more comfortable talking now than last time. For some reason, like out of nowhere too. Still not like completely comfortable, but like gonna do my eyebrows and be right back. In 3, 2. Now I'm gonna use the Nightingale palette. Let's start out with hide and seek. All-nighter, maybe? For sure, hide and seek, flip out, break free. Let's do hide and seek a little bit. And I don't really usually go for like a dark eyeshadow look, but this is a good change for once. If it's getting too dark, so I hope that's better. Turn on the lights so it's getting a little bit dark outside, but not nighttime. We'll be done before then. So then just keep blending it into my crease as a transition shade as well. I want to connect that to my lower lash line. Still using just hide and seek. Seems okay. Now flip out using a little bit. Oh, I only tapped that twice. I only tapped that twice. Wow, that actually has a lot of pigment. It's so pigmented. Whoa, this is gonna be dark, I can tell. This is already like dark. Like really dark. I don't do this look like ever. Which means I'm gonna put black eyeliner in my waterline. There's no way around it. Oh, I tapped once into all-nighter and didn't dust any off, and look at that. Oh, look at that. Wow. Oh wow, do not underestimate this palette. Just tap once and dust that off and use a little bit more of all-nighter on this side. Blend already. It's probably just this brush. It's probably not the eyeshadows. It's probably just this brush. Wow, this is very pigmented. Really lightly to put a little bit of all-nighter on the lower lash line, but only on the outer corner of the lower lash line because I don't want like a lot going on there. It's already pretty dark. So I think I'm gonna use all-nighter again on the very outside part of this and blend it in. Use a little bit more this side too. I think that's good. So like, oh, I dropped my eyeshadow palette. Are you kidding me? Are you actually kidding me? Well, I just accidentally dropped this, and good news, it didn't fall out. So that's even another plus for this. Ooh, I should have been using flash this whole time. I am so sorry. Now I know. So yes, I was using Break Free. Now you can see Break Free on the brow bone, and I started to put a little bit on this side. I want to put more. Ooh, actually now I like the Jeffree Star highlighter now that I can see it in this. Using Break Free on the Cupid's bow nose. I'm gonna use Break Free on the inner corners because I like this highlighter a lot. Yeah, can you see the difference? Look, that one and that one. Way better. Immensely better. This eyeliner pencil from Ulta Beauty. Wow, I really apologize for the lighting. Now, let's try not to poke our eyes out and instead, put that on the waterline and bring it. I think that's as far as I'm gonna take that. I like how this is looking. Doesn't it look nice? I usually don't do black underneath because I almost poked myself. No, because I don't know, I just don't like it to look too dark. I like it to look more natural, but I really like this look so far. And the dog is barking. I'm gonna tightline my eyes now. So actually, I like that eyeliner. Do the other one right now. Curl eyelashes and mascara time. Also, while I'm doing my mascara, I wanted to tell you guys that I'm thinking of for October, sometime in October, if I should do a makeup tutorial for like Halloween themed. Or maybe I should just do like Halloween colors, like an orange purple look or a green orange look or something with like pumpkins or like cats, or like, what should I do? Like, do you guys have any suggestions? If you do, please leave a comment down below and let me know. And I'd like to respond. And please subscribe while you're at it. Thank you. If you want to keep up with my videos, if you want to see more videos, and let me know. I'm still not done. Do not leave. Can you see the difference? Look. Wow. Still wow, but like not as enhanced. I forgot to do lips. So using the Celebrity Skin by Jeffree Star, I feel like this nude lipstick goes good with this look because it's dark eyes and you want attention drawn to the eyes and not to the lips. And this is a finished look. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Wow.